Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a newsletter with Substack step by step clearly. Visit the Substack website at substack.com. Click on the Start Writing button. If you don't have an account, sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Substack. Once verified, log into your new Substack account. You'll be taken to a dashboard where you can start setting up your newsletter. Click on Create a new publication. Enter a name for your newsletter in the provided field. Choose a custom URL for your publication that reflects its name or topic. Select a theme for your newsletter to match your branding or style preferences. Customize the look by uploading a logo or header image. Decide on the frequency of your newsletter, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Determine if your newsletter will be free, paid, or a combination of both. Set the pricing if you opt for a paid subscription model. Integrate a payment method if you plan to charge for subscriptions. Click Next to proceed to the content section. Start creating your first post by adding a catchy title and engaging text. Incorporate images, videos, or links to enrich your content. Preview your post to see how it appears to readers. Make any necessary edits to ensure clarity and coherence. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your post live. Share the link to your newsletter on social media and with your network. Continue creating and publishing quality content to build your audience over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.